The race is on. Drug development is speeding up, and your bioprocess needs to keep pace. These new advances demand new skills. Stopping to train can feel like a setback, but you don't have to do it alone. Your race is our race. We can help you accelerate your molecule to market with Fast Trak training and education. Upskill your team with guidance from our experienced scientists. With our courses, you'll deepen your understanding of process development and scale up. Master upstream and downstream workflows. Single-use bioreactors, column packing, chromatography, filtration, and more. Helping you overcome complexity and deliver results, so you can improve yield, prevent errors, and reduce time to market. Consider us an extension of your team. We're here to support your needs. Learn your way, mixing classroom teaching and hands-on training at one of our 8 Fast Trak training centers worldwide, or anywhere, anytime with virtual e-learning. You can even tailor courses to your exact needs. Whatever your goal, we'll help you reach it faster. Let's cross the finish line together. Ready to start your training journey? Visit Fast Trak training and education page to learn more.